love you this much. How much? That this notebook will tell you, that this cover will tell you, because it is handmade. Now, this is a DIY embroidery kit. You get this notebook with pages punched over here on the side. If you want any other arrangement over here, you can contact for that. And in the DIY kit, you get this thick paper. It is a textured paper. You can see over here, it's beautiful texture. You can touch it and feel it. And along with the notebook, the cover, you also get needle and threads to make this. So you will learn how to make this beautiful designs on a notebook, whether it be for your Valentine's Day or for your anniversary, birthday, whatever occasion. And this is a notebook. You can have plain pages in it, or you can have this type of printed pages. These two designs are there, so you can choose. If you want designs on the inside corners on the pages, they will be blank. On this side over here, they will be blank. So you can use it on both sides, or you can use it on only one side. You can keep the pages fixed in this file or in any other file, however you want the binding. You can contact for that. And this notebook is a beautiful gift for your loved one, whether it can be your mother, your sister, your parents, or your beloved, your partner. It can be anyone. You will learn to make all these things with very good detailed instructions. The texture and everything is very beautiful. These two hearts are there intertwined, and lot of instructions. Everything is covered in the tutorial and the instructions. And still, if you have any doubts, you can contact me, and I will explain and answer all your questions.